Let us start with the 13th practical, that is class B push-pull amplifier. Let us start with the 13th practical, that is class B push-pull amplifier. You know what is a push-pull amplifier? It is an amplifier which has output stage that can drive a current in either direction through the load. Push-pull amplifiers are superior over single-ended amplifiers in the terms of distortion and performance. Let us see. This is the kit of push-pull amplifier. You can see we are giving input in this. This is the positive and negative, that is ground. You are connecting the output. This is your function generator. You can adjust the amplitude as 100 millivolts. Okay, you can also decrease the frequency or you can increase the frequency. This is 2k hertz sine wave, 100 millivolts, and this is given as input over here, positive and negative. So 100 millivolts sine wave is given, and this is your CRO. Let us now turn on the switch. This is a pot where we can adjust. Now you are getting the output. See, you got output over here. As I am adjusting the pot, the output is changing to make the output more stable. So count the output: 1, 2, 2.4 into 2. So 2.4 into 2 is your output. Hence your output is amplified. See, this is the kit once again. Audio input, this is the output. You have function generator and you have CRO, and we are seeing the output. You can see the amplified output waveform. Now you can change the amplitude. As you change the amplitude, you will see there is change in output. Now I am changing it to say 200 millivolts. See, the output is increased. It is amplified. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram of class B push-pull amplifier. You have to draw the circuit diagram in this way. These are the resources required. As we saw the component, the kit, we saw CRO was used. There was a power supply inbuilt in the kit. We saw function generator, that is the signal generator, transistor, resistors, capacitor, connecting, everything was in the kit. So we have followed the procedure. We connected the power supply, the CRO and function generator. We gave the input through the function generator and took the output on the CRO. We varied the various readings and then we got the readings in this fashion. So the input voltage was 100 millivolts. We got the output as 1 volt. We can do the calculation in this way, where we are considering Ri as 10.23 and RO as 9.6 ohms. So according to that, we have all calculated the PI, PO and efficiency in percentage. This is the calculations done.